Once upon a time, in a small village 7 miles away from a little town, there lived a young boy named Phoe Zon. He lived together with his mother, father, and grandfather. His grandmother had passed away when he was very young. Phoe Zon's father worked as a palm tree climber. Every morning, just as the first light of dawn appeared, making a living through her hard work. Every morning, the sound of boiling syrup on the stove could be heard all the way to the edge of the village. As Phoe Zon grew older, he had to help with household chores and still attend school. He worked in the fields with his grandfather and helped at home. But even with all that, he never complained. He was always a cheerful and lively boy.